Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple uh, accessories in Roblox. So before starting guys, you if you are new on channel, you can make sure to subscribe my channel, like the video. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to menu and choose the avatar from here. So go to accessories here. Go to accessories and choose any of the accessories you want. So I'm going to choose head. So in head guys, you can add maximum three head accessories to your avatar. So I'm going to choose three, and after selecting three head accessories, if I trying to select one more, it automatically unselect the previous one. So if you want to select multiple accessories, and if you're trying to go face accessories, and if you choose one, trying to choose multiple accessories, it won't allow you to do that. So how can you select multiple accessories? And it's a very simple steps you just need to follow in this video. So what you need to do, you have to open a new tab and search for BT Roblox. So there is an extension called BT Roblox on Chrome. You can find out, and you just need to install this extension on your browser. Once installed, guys, make sure it is enabled. So to enable, you just need to tap on or click on this three dot and go to extensions and go to manage extensions. Now you have to make sure that it is enabled in the background. Once it is enabled, just go back to your web page of your Roblox uh, site and just refresh your web page. Now you can see the left menu has been updated with new options. I won't say new feature. So it has been updated with new options. But now you have to go to again accessories and go to head and accessories. Now, if I'm trying to select multiple accessories, more than three accessories, you can see that I can select as many as I want. Fine. If I go back to face accessories, and if I'm trying to select two face accessories or two or more than two accessories, it will allow you to do that. So you can do this by using this extension called BT Roblox that makes Roblox better. Fine, so that's how you can do it. Hope you understood. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Till then, bye.